Matt Cavanaugh, CMZ Trading, joins us now for the final trade of the day. We actually have two trades to get to with Matt, so happy to have you on the show today.
Thanks.
Let's start with Chipotle. It looks like this is a real deal turnaround for the company. What do you think about the stock?
Well, you're right. They really have turned it around, and the stock's turned it around too from all those scandals in the February of last year low around $255. It's approaching its all-time high again, which was over 700, now right around 6. But I tell you what, they're seeing the growth in transactions, they're seeing the growth in same-store sales, but you are paying a lot for that growth. They can't have any more missteps, nobody getting sick, that kind of thing. So I like the product, but here at this level, too expensive for me.
Okay, I give people so much credit who stepped into this stock when the E. coli outbreak scandal was happening. That was actually a screaming buy.
Screaming buy, and that's a really good lesson to people that if you think the business is good, you think the brand's good.
You like the food.
You like the food, right? They've got some fleas that you think maybe they're going to turn it around. Do the opposite of what people, are doing, and that's one of those where, in our news cycle and then the good management, they turned it around, and here we are. You're sitting on a huge reward if you bought it.
Huge reward. Now, would you put an options play on here at all?
I just feel like it's one of those brands that the valuations don't make a ton of sense to me, so there's nothing strategically I'm looking to do. So I'm just going to wait and watch here, and maybe if we get a move, then there's a time to readjust.
Sonos is also on your trader radar. What are you thinking?
Well, I got the product this year. I actually gave some out as gifts at Christmas. I love it. It IPO'd around $15, got up to $24. They had a really good quarter this quarter. They beat on sales. They beat on earnings, but a few things happened. One, their CFO left, and with a company that just went public, red flag. Two, even with the blowout this quarter, they didn't guide better going forward. So people are like, oh, well, does that mean it's not going to be good for quarter two? They don't see any growth. The stock is below $11 now, and I haven't bought it. I think that it's one of those that if you really like it and you think that they're going to do good things going forward, maybe it's time for a nibble.
You never know. A little bit of a lottery play, but Look what happened with Chipotle.
I tell you what, it's a lot better sub 11 than it was almost at 24.
That's true. Thanks for coming on the show and for the Trader Talk.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.